Hi, this is Sato. In this video, I will tell you the charm of the Shimajiri area. Have you ever heard of the festival called Pantu? On a lucky day in early September, according to old calendar, this area is filled with laughter and screams. Why are they so covered with mud? It is this god's doing. This god is called Pantu. He chases after people regardless of age, gender, and nationality without mercy. He likes parties, white and new. Shimajiri area is usually quiet, but on the day, the traffic is being controlled by police officers and Japan's self-defense forces, and the area is crowded with thousands of people on the day. The date is not known to the public until the day in order to avoid congestion. So, unless you live in Miyako City, you are unlikely to meet him. Point 2 doesn't hesitate to smear smelly mud on cars, patrol cars, and buildings. He doesn't do it because he hates people and gets rid of his stress. He does it to drive out evil spirits from houses and to pray for people's good health. This event has been designated as a nationally intangible cultural property since 2018, and it is loved by many people in Miyako City. The next one I will talk about is Shimajiri mangrove forests. There is a walkway surrounded by 5 kinds of mangroves which inhabit Miyako Island. About 1 kilometer inlet has developed. You can go and return within about 30 minutes. Though the beautiful beaches are often featured on TV and SNS, the beauty of the green is also charming. In Miyako City, there are some places where you can see mangroves, but those places are not maintained basically, and they have no walkways. So if you want to see mangroves, I want to recommend this place. You will see these mangroves differently depending on whether the tide is in or out. It's a matter of taste, but if you want to observe living creatures, you should come here at low tide. There is a large parking lot and it's not so crowded with people, so I think you can come here whenever you like. This bridge lies between the start and the goal of this walkway. This walkway is not circled, so the start and the goal are not the same place, and there is no sign of the goal. But after you walk for a while, you will come in sight of a rough way surrounded by sugar cane field. It's the goal. You need to go and return on the same way after you see it. It was nice for me to have been able to sweat moderately. How was this video? I think you will definitely enjoy this unique culture and nature in Shimajiri area. Why don't you having a good day here? Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. See you next time. Bye.